Yo, what's going on YouTube? This is Technically T, and today we're going to get into another case review for the iPhone X. Now we have the brand new Spigen ThinFit 360 case. And this is one of the most popular videos on my channel when I did this same case review for the iPhone 7 Plus. If you haven't seen that video, I will link it above. So let's go ahead and get straight into it. Now this ThinFit 360 is basically, like I said, it's a thin fit case. So if you're familiar with the Spigen ThinFit, it's the same exact case, except it has protection on the front and back and sides and all the way around, including the tempered glass screen protector. So let's go ahead and just tear open the box so you can actually see what I mean. So we have this. And this might be a little normal video, a longer than normal video, just because there is a few pieces to this actual case. So as here, let's go ahead and pull the actual case part out, because we do have a screen protector as well. So this is the actual thin fit case. So as you see, you have a back shield here. So basically kind of like your thin shield, just shaped a little bit differently. So this is your back shield there. And then on the front, you do have a very, flimsy type front snap-on piece that will actually go on the front of the case. So there it is. So that's what they mean actually by 360 degrees. And here, as you see, we do have a tempered glass screen protector. Now I'm not really going to baby this because I don't have my box. I don't have my knife. So we're just going to try to rip this apart and hopefully we don't damage the screen protector in the meantime. So let's go ahead and see if we can get in here. Okay. Take that out. Take this out. Cool. Let's set the phone aside to the second. So as you see here, we do get some cleaning wipes for the screen protector there. That's always good. Plus some sticker removals and a microfiber cloth to clean off the actual screen on your phone. Basically, this is telling you any problems with the screen protector or anything like that. A little card, but we're not going to read that. We're going to toss that to the side. We actually get two, if I'm not mistaken. So that's one screen protector, and this is two screen protectors. So that's very dope. We actually get two screen protectors with this application. Now, at first, I will try to apply this screen protector with the same one that I have on. So let me see if it actually fits almost the exact same. So hopefully I don't have to peel my screen protector off to use this case. I was actually prepared, only for you guys, I was actually prepared to remove my screen protector to put the Spigen screen protector on. And if you know me, I do not like removing my screen protectors because I like having one that's installed and installed correctly. So let's go ahead and go with the case. So on this case here, guys, you see it has the cutout for your camera and your flash, and there is a raised bezel there. So you should be good, and it won't scratch when you're talking about laying the phone down on tables. You always get your Spigen branding here down on the side. Flipping over on the left side, you have a raised volume up, volume down, cutout for your mute toggle switch. And on this side as well, you do also get a raised power button there. And as well as the front clip, you do get all your sensors and your Animoji and all those things cutouts on the front there. On the bottom, you do get cut out for that lightning cable and your speaker grill on both sides. And that is basically it for the front snap cable. So like I said, we're gonna try to install this case. Hopefully it works with the screen protector that I have there right now. But if it doesn't, we will install this screen protector live on camera. So let's go ahead and see what happens when I try to install it. Now I'm pretty sure I am doing this wrong. So I'm gonna come from the bottom and actually snap it. As you know, we don't read any directions, and I don't want to scratch my phone up, but let's see if we can get it on. It's basically a snap, so it all basically lines up, which is kind of giving me a hard time. So you are seeing me live struggle. Don't read any directions. I don't know why I don't read any directions. It's just the way it is. I don't read any directions with anything. So, let's see. Okay, so let's see if we have to put the front side in first. Like I said, it might help to read direction, guys. Don't be like me when it comes time to installing these things. Read directions. It might save you some time. So that's the front installed. Let's see if we can just pop the back on. Yep, so that was probably what we had to do first. We had to install the back, the front plate, and then make sure you go all the way around it and make sure everything is snapped in and everything is pretty good around the case. So here it is. The thin fit 360 for the iPhone 10. It feels pretty good in the hand. It actually feels a little more solid than the version did when it came from the iPhone 7 Plus, because when they first started making this case, it was very, very flimsy. But this one doesn't seem too bad. It actually seems pretty solid. So let's take a look around the case. On that right side, that raised power button works very good. Unlocking your Face ID, you have a volume up, volume down, nice and tactile there. On the side, mute toggle switch, pretty easy to get to. No issue at all. Flipping over on the bottom, your cutouts are spot on for your lightning adapter and your speaker grills there. As you see, your cutouts up here for all your sensors and your front facing camera, everything is cut out like that. And you can almost see the little red blinking sensor. Let's see if I can unlock it. I don't know if you can see the red blinking sensor. So that'll tell you right there that the cutout is actually pretty good. Flipping over on the back, you do have that cutout, like I said, for that camera. And that is spot on there. So when you lay it down, you're actually good to go and it won't scratch your device. Next, how does it, do you get any lay on table protection? I almost skipped the lay on the table protection. Now, as you can see, it has okay lay on the table protection. It's not too, it's just a little lip there, but it's nothing to brag home about. It's not going to protect you against super serious drops, but there is a tiny lip there. And then you also got to realize that you are protected by the tempered glass. Now, if you can see up here, the tempered glass fits very good on this case. And this isn't even the tempered glass that comes with the Spigen. I still have both of them right here. Those aren't even the tempered glass that comes with the case. So this is a Bodyguard's Pure Shield 2 and it actually fits right on the money. So I'm assuming a lot of these screen protectors you guys have with the notch up there, it'll fit right on just as good as this one does. So that's actually very good to know. So it's actually covered 360 degrees, as they say, and it's not too bad. Lay on table protection is pretty decent. Next, how does it actually fit on the phone? Now, this doesn't give any creaks. It's actually very solid. And I'm really excited to say that because, like I said, the iPhone 7 Plus version was very creaky. It just wasn't a premium fit as this one, but this one feels very good. It isn't any shaking or anything. It's actually a very solid fitting case and it actually feels very good. Moving on to the next topic, it feels very good in my hand. Super thin. Feels like there is a case up there, but it's a very thin case. And it can get the job done. It doesn't feel thick at all. Very thin case. You get that matte black material on the back there that doesn't leave too many fingerprints, which I like that. And it doesn't seem too slippery in my hand. And last but not least, does it work with wireless charging? Popping it down on the wireless charger, it works with wireless charging. So once again, guys, this is your Spigen Thin Fit 360 for the iPhone 10. Now this case will run you $17.99 over on Amazon. I will drop the link down below as always, but this is a very nice fitting case. It does include 2 tempered glass screen protectors, as you can see here. But if you have a screen protector currently on your phone and you want to run this case, try the case with the tempered glass screen protector that you have already on, because it could work. I came into this video thinking I had to take it off, but actually it works perfect. The fit is perfect and it doesn't raise the corners or anything of the screen protector. It actually fits perfect. So if you like this case, guys, please give it a like. Comment down below what you think about this case. And as always, guys, subscribe and I will see you next time. Later.